njye na Pepita twarumvikanye
Glenn goes out of town.
kwigiye Glenn azongera gusohokera mu mujyi
And that is me.
kumwe muri twazajyana nawe kandi ari we njye
You two can both go with
oya mwebwe irimo mwishaka mwajyana na Perezida agiye gusohoka umujyi barashaka gutembera rero n'abakozi
now.
hari imfungwa zahafatiwe ibyo byazifasha oya njye ndigumira hano bahise bumva ko harimo ibintu by'imfungwa.
Your dad has a tricky matter to attend right now.
papa wanyu hari ibintu agiye gukora kugira ngo arebe ko izo mfungwa zafungurwa.
I'll be with you later today.
turaza gusubira.
Okay, Mom.
Oh, Nina, are you okay?
Nina umeze neza? Yeah. Amagambo bari menshi muri uru rugo.
You know very well the president has eyes and ears on everything, so we have to be extra careful.
Bano bari hakuri no tugomba kwirinda kuko president ibintu byose ababizi.
You tell them.
Ntabwo bazabimenya keretse no bibabwira.
Good.
Mugambanyi. Sawa.
So what's your special news?
Rero amakuru adasanzwe nzaniye nayahe?
She's here.
Ari hano inde?
She's here in the Philippines?
Ari hano muri Philippines nimba ari bari kuvuga.
Are you sure?
Urabizi neza?
100% sure, Marnie.
Ijana ku ijana Marnie?
100%.
Ijana ku ijana kabisa ari hano muri Philippines n'umugore bari kuvuga.
Know their identity yet.
Ntago ndamenya ninde ariko ndabizi ko ahari.
Your daughter is here in the Philippines.
Umuryango wadobuse umukobwa wawe uri hano muri Philippines n'umukobwa wari muri Philippines. Turashize. Uyamenye ko ngo umukobwa we yatanze akiri umwana bakamwadoba utari hano muri Philippines ndetse n'umuryango wa mwadobuse uri hano muri Philippines. Yarishimye. Yigeze kubyara umwana aramutanga akiri muto. Bivuze ngo umukobwa wanjye ari ahantu nshobora kumugeraho. Umukobwa wari.
Melody did not mention anything to me before I left.
Melody nta kintu igeze ambwira mbere yuko mva mu ngoro.
It's your story after all.
Bisa nkaho inkuru wamubwiye yayizeye.
That's good to hear.
Icyo ni byiza.
I thought me skipping meds would get us in trouble. I'm glad it didn't.
Nari nzi ko gusiba imiti kwanjye bizakira mu bibazo ariko ndabona nta cyabaye.
I'll do everything when I return.
Ningaruka Melody ndamubwira buri kimwe.
Everything?
Buri kimwe?
Yes, everything.
Melody ndamubwira buri kimwe.
I will hang up now, Mom.
Ngiye kugukupa. Perezida arashaka kuvuga ibintu byose akabibwira umugore we. Pana gukomeza kubana n'umuntu umubeshya. Yeah. Yeah.
This lady, Attorney Domingo is here.
Avoka Domingo ari hano avoka ya Jean.
Val, both of you, excuse us for a moment.
Nimudoya kanya. Baby.
I didn't know that you were into history books.
Ntabwo nzi ko ukunda ibitabo by'amateka.
Reading history books is fun.
Gusoma ibitabo by'amateka biraryoha.
Such as how people learn from their past mistakes.
Nibwo abantu batangira kwigira ku mateka yabo yahahise.
History always has a way of repeating itself.
Umva amateka n'ubundi afite uburyo ki ajya yisubiramo.
Enough of small talks. I heard you answer me.
Numvishe ko wantumyeho.
You have not answered my question yet.
Ikibazo nakomeje ntabwo urakinsubiza.
Do you and my husband have a child?
Weho n'umugabo wanjye mwigeze mubyarana.
First lady.
Madam First Lady.
Sure that right?
Icyo kibazo narakigusubishe.
Good, you haven't.
Ntabwo wakinsubishe.
Yes or no? Do you and my husband?
Weho n'umugabo wanjye mwarabyaranye. Subiza.
I really don't have time for this.
Ntagiye mfite kibi.
The answer is just yes or no, Ingrid.
Igisubizo ni yego cyangwa aho ya Ingrid.
Why can't you answer me?
Kuki utansubiza?
Let me say it again.
Kansubiremo.
You and my husband have a child.
We n'umugabo wanjye mwarabyaranye. Kuryamana ko bararyamanye ahubwo mwaranabyaranye. Cyamubaza. Umve.
Or you really want to know the answer?
Ese koko urashaka kumenya igisubizo? Urumva witeguye kucyakira?
Yes.
Yego twarabyaranye.
Glenn and I have a child.
Njye na Glenn twarabyaranye. Turashize. Rebe.
Where is your child?
Umwana mwabyaranye ari he rero?
With me.
Ndeka njyenyine. Tangiye no kurira.
Glenn?
Ubwo Glenn
found out that I was already pregnant.
yamenyaga ko yanteye inda
He left me and the baby.
yaransize n'umwana nk'aba bagabo b'i Kigali yarantaye.
Why did you throw the baby away?
What do you want me to do? Raise her all by myself?
uriya mwana wagira ngo nzamurere njyenyine.
Poor Ingrid.
I don't need your money.
nta mafaranga yawe nkeneye.
He's the one who's suffering. You even gave...
umwana ari kubabara.
Are you saying I should have given her to you?
That would be the better option.
uriya mwana wari kumuma nkamurera.
We're a package deal, Glenn.
Glenn,
My daughter comes with me.
umukobwa wanjye azabana nanjye.
Give you what you want, Ingrid.
ntabwo naguha icyo ushaka.
In a moment of anger, I gave up my child for adoption.
kubera umujinya umwana wanjye naramutanze baramwadobuta.
Up your child?
umwana wawe wibyariye waramutanze ngo bamwadobute we mu bigo umwana bamuha abafite ubushobozi kumurera. yego.
I returned to the adoption agency.
nasubiye inyuma kuri cya kigo cya oruferi nakorewe umwana nabahaye.
Late.
gusa nagiye nakererewe.
There is nothing we can do now.
nta kintu twabikoraho umwana baramwadobuse wadusigiye kandi abamwadobuse badusabye kutazavuga amazina yabo. ni ibintu biri mu nyandiko ubu ntabwo wamenya naho umwana wawe ari.
There's nothing I can do.
ubu nta kintu nakora.
I am so sorry, Miss Domingo.
tubabarire Miss Mingo Domingo. umwana baramwadobuse bamubwira ko n'abamwadobuse bavuze ko badakeneye kuzamenyekana bizaguma ari ibanga.
Does Glenn know what you did?
Glenn yabaze ibyo wakoze.
You returned for the kid?
yabaze ko basi wasubiye kureba n'umwana. ntabyo azi.
He doesn't want my baby. So
Glenn ntabwo yashaka umwana wanjye kubera ikintu ari kwirushya mbimubwira.
It is still possible for you to experience episodes of mental
umva biracyashoboka ko mu mutwe bishobora kongera bikicanga.
effects of not taking your
ni
meds.
zimwe mu ngaruka zo gufata imiti.
That is why
niyo mpamvu rero
to keep taking the right amount of meds.
ugomba kujya ufatira imiti ku gihe.
Okay, Doc.
sawa muga.
Is it possible? Yes, sir. I want a media blackout on this one. Yes, sir. We
umva
would
ndagira ngo itangazamakuru bino bintu ntiribimenye.
that they want. I refuse to do that. Copy, sir. Noted. Thank you.
urebe ibijyanye no gufunguza imfungwa.
Hounds at CBG hold 24 civilians, including 6 children,
CBG bafashe imfungwa zigera muri 24 harimo n'abana batandatu.
military, and the police.
ni gute bacitse polisi?
Why do I find your story so hard to believe?
kuki inkuru yawe numva ntayizeye?
Glenn is not that kind of person.
Glenn ntabwo ari umuntu wakwanga umwana.
But I'm telling the truth, Madam
njye
First.
ndi kukubwiza ukuri Madam First Lady.
And you know the real reason why I'm here.
kandi impamvu yanyayo ndi hano urayizi.
For the girl.
ndi gushaka umwana.
I heard that she is here.
namenye ko ari inaha muri Philippines.
Philippines.
ari muri Philippines.
Ingrid,
Ingrid,
why don't you tell Glenn about this?
kuki utabibwira Glenn?
He surely help you with it.
ashobora kubigufashamo.
Tell him when he doesn't like her. What else can he do to find her?
ese ni ikindi yakora ngo amubone?
To maintain.
ubu ngubu noneho yakumva ko biri bunamusebye ari perezida ashobora kwanga kumfasha gushaka umwana.
Please don't tell him.
ntubimubwire.
Please, Melody.
ndakwinginze Melody. ntabwire perezida.
Hostages. 6 are kids, ranging from 6 to 11.
I don't care about statistics, General.
umva ntabwo nitaye ku mibare y'abafashwe.
These are human beings.
icyo nzi cyo ni abantu kandi ni abenegihugu.
I need to know the hostages' names now.
ndashaka kumenya amazina y'abafashwe.
They are.
nkamenya abo ari bo.
Do everything in our power.
tugakora icyo dushoboye cyose kugira ngo dutabare ubuzima bwabo.
President,
yego Mr. President.
regards to CBG's demand.
CBG twirengagije ibyo isaba.
With radicals.
ntabwo twe tujya tunegosiya n'ibyihebe.
Perfectly clear.
ibyo byumvikane. Perezida.
Thank you, General.
ese yaje hano kubitekereza. umugabo wanjye yateye inda umuntu warangije aranamwihakana. mana yanjye abagabo ni abagome. umugore
You and my husband have a child.
Are you sure you really want to know the answer?
yagarutse hano kubitekereza.
Yes.
wewe n'umugabo wanjye mwarabyaranye cyane.
And I have a child.
njye na Glenn twabyaranye umwana. arabyibuka. iyo byamucanze buri gihe itabona akazimu ka papa we Melody.
The long face, my darling.
kuki uri kureba gutyo mwana wanjye?
Dad, it's...
papa,
Ingrid told me something today.
Ingrid yambwiye ikintu uyu munsi.
She said that she has a child with Glenn.
yambwiye ko yabyaranye na Glenn.
What?
Ngo iki?
What's on your mind right now?
Uri gutekereza iki se nona?
I'm thinking of...
Natekerezaga.
I want to do everything I can to help Ingrid find her daughter.
Ndi gushaka gukora uko nshoboye kugira ngo mfashe Ingrid abone umukobwa we.
Why help her? You have nothing to do with that matter.
Ntawe uhuriye n'icyo kibazo ariko uramufashiriza iki?
Dad,
Papa,
you know I used to help OFWs find their missing...
urabizi ko najyaga mfasha ariko abaturage bandi kugira ngo babone imiryango yabo yabuze. Uriya mugore rero nawe ngomba kumufasha nk'umuturage. Ingrid nabwo ndamufata nk'umuturage mufashe gushaka umuryango we.
Their daughter. And you're okay with that?
That is the point, Dad. That is Glenn's daughter.
Ikindi wibuke ko ari umukobwa w'umugabo wanjye Glenn. Kumva no kumufashiriza icyo.
Not to tell Glenn...
Gusa yansabye ngo simbivuge.
Then, don't tell Glenn about her.
Ubwo rero ntubibwire Glenn.
Glenn has to know about his daughter.
Glenn afite kubimenya iby'umukobwa we.
What do you want?
Umwana nawe sinzi ikintu ushaka.
I will tell Glenn the truth when he comes back home.
Glenn nagaruka mu rugo ndamubwiza ukuri.
What do you think, Dad?
Tekereza iki papa?
Melody. It's a hard decision to make.
N'umwanzuro ugoye gufata.
In the house, wherein you can repaint it a different color if you don't like the new color. Girl, once you say it to Glenn, you can't take it back.
Umva, ni ibintu ushobora kubwira Glenn bikaba bibi cyane ku buryo udashobora kubikunda. Bitekerezeho.
PGA, here are the files that you requested regarding this situation.
Thank you, Yessi.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is better for the military, like us, not to get to know the people we're trying to help or to rescue.
Batangiye gupanga ukuntu babahuza abantu.
Involved.
Nukugabanya amarangamutima.
Make logical decisions.
Tugafata umwanzuro urimo ubwenge.
Sir, it is better not to get attached.
Bano bantu we witangira gutwarwa n'ama emotions. Fata umwanzuro ufatika kugira ngo misi ikunde.
There are times when we must not let emotions overpower logic. Logic dictates to me that I should start to negotiate with the CBG.
Ibitekerezo biri kumbwira ngo ntangire negotiate na biriya byihebe kugira biri kuri mfungo.
Lessen the complications.
Ibyo bishobora gutuma ibintu bitagorana.
But my love for my country tells me.
Ariko urukundo nkunda igihugu cyanjye narwo rukambwira.
The moment we negotiate with these black.
Turi dutangira kujya twumvikana n'ibyihebe tukabira icyo bishaka. N'ubutaha bazaza igihugu bagishyire mu bibazo. Bajye baza bakora ibyaha atiretira duhi bashimuta abantu leta tuyisabe ibi.
It is hard to make decisions when the lives of our people are at the mercy of militants.
Biragoye cyane gufata icyemezo mu gihe ubuzima bw'abaturage bushobora kuba buri mu biganza by'ibyihe bishobora kubica. Reba raporo ikivuga. Umwe mu mfungwa n'umwana w'imyaka 6.
What kind of fear must that kid be feeling now?
Ibaza ubwoba ko kana gafite. Muri kano kanya kuba bakambuye ababyeyi bako.
This terrible thing might happen to our kids someday.
Ababyeyi bako nabo bafite ubwoba kuko bazi ko umwana wabo hari ikintu kibi gishobora kumubaho. Perezida.
According to my contact, Ingrid left the baby in this establishment.
Amakuru mfite no Ingrid yaje agasiga umwana hano.
Baby here for over a year now. So I'm sure that she's.
Uwo mwana ndamuzi ko ari wacu.
Poor baby. Her real mother.
Kigiye perezida yaje kubwira umugore we.
Are you sure about this, son? Once we push through with this adoption.
Uyu mwana nitumwadobuta perezida yaje kubwira umugore we Christine bari barashakanye icyo gihe. Kano kana murasa. Uri kubona umugore wa perezida ukuntu yari umwana mwiza wa mbere. Umugabo gutababwira ati naguciye inyuma ndetse akana ntera n'inda. Umugore aho kubwira ati ako kana tukadubuta ahubwo tukazane. Ndabona ari na keza musa. Bino umugore babyumvikanye ngo akana bakadubute ka Ingrid.
Thank you so much.
Urakoze cyane kubyemera. Iki ni ibyabaye. Perezida arabyibuka. Bivuze ngo perezida yiyadoptiye umwana we yabyaye hanze.
Hey, very good. You're taking your meds now. Did you see your doctor, Mom?
Of course I saw the doctor earlier. I didn't tell you about it because I didn't want to disturb you. You can stop pushing me to visit my doctor now. You are so stubborn, Melody.
Melody, Ma'am Plasilda is the best at taking medicine. She takes them regularly.
Ubungu bari kunywa imiti ye neza, imitari kwifata ku gihe, ibintu byose ni sawa.
Nobody asked you for your opinion, you know.
We nta muntu agusaba igitekerezo cyawe, sawa reka nceceke. Nabakozi bagira umunwa shaho.
By the way, Melody, where's Nicole? Her doctor.
Nicole ari hehe?
Today, right?
Muganga warazi uyu munsi sibyo?
Hello, Nicole.
Nicole yaje hano.
How are you doing?
Nicole umeze ute?
Come here, my girl. My dear girl, how are you?
I'm feeling good, Grandma. Only, I just miss Daddy.
Nicole, I'm sorry. Your daddy is quite busy now.
Papa warahuze muri kano kanya.
Do you want to make a home video?
Great.
Urashaka gukora video hano?
Not included.
Baby.
Zip my lips again. Nicole, hand me the phone and I will film you. I'm very...
Umvazana phone ngufate video.
Looks good.
Pepita.
Yeah.
Phone up Yesi right now and tell him my request. Find a new nanny for the children.
Urabizi mushakira umwana wanjye umukozi mushingwe yamaze kwigira nabi. Ahita asubiza telefone.
Hi, Dad.
Bite papa.
Hi, Glenn.
Hi, my...
Bite Glenn.
Dad, we know you are very busy right now.
Papa, turabizi urahuze muri kano kanya.
Please video.
Take care over there, Glenn. See you soon.
I miss you, my love.
Turagukumbuye.
My doctor is coming over today. I hope she will have good news. So, Dad, take care of yourself. See you.
Wiyiteho.
Bye.
Kakana ka Nicole. Baramusezera.
Nicole.
Nicole.
No matter what the doctor says,
icyo muganga ari bukubwire cyose.
Do not forget that we're all here for you.
Wibagirwe ko turi hano ku bwawe.
Okay, Mommy.
Sawa mama. Yeah.
Hi, Glenn. Hi, my love.
Bite Glenn, bite my love. Ariko rero video bifashe. Turabizi muri kano kanya urahuze, niyo mpamvu twifashe video ngo tuyikoherereze. Wiyiteho Glenn.
I miss you, my love.
I miss you too.
Turagukumbuye nanjye ndabakumbuye.
Coming over today.
Muganga wanjye araza kuza uyu munsi. Ndizera ko ari buze kuba afite amakuru meza.
So, Dad, take care of yourself.
Papa wiyiteho.
Bye. Bye.
Baby.
Love you too. Yes, General. Tell me something good.
We spoke with the representatives of CBG.
Twavuganye n'uhagarariye ibyabye bya CBG.
To let any of the hostages go.
Ntabwo ngo bashaka kurekura imfungwa. Habe n'umwana.
This is Dr. Murakami. Nice to meet
you. Ni muganga Murakami wa muganga uje kuvura ngo umwana w'inzobere.
Murakami here has some news for Nicole.
Nicole, we just have to conduct additional tests, and if the results are good, we can schedule your operation.
Ibisubizo nibiza kuba bisa nk'ibivangavanze dushobora kuza kwimura igihe tuzakuvurira kuko muga.
And I really walk again.
Ushobora kuzabasha kongera kugenda.
Don't get your hopes too high, my dear.
Nikira guhita wishyiramo ibyiringiro byinshi kuzayitukira.
Assurance that you'll be able to walk.
Nta garantero twahita tukwizeza ko ushobora kuzakira.
To be successful. Right?
Witegereze sibyo muga.
Right, ma'am.
Uravuga ukuri.
There are no guarantees.
Iyo umuntu agiye kubagwa burya nta garanti birimo ko umuntu yakongera kubasha kugenda. Hari n'igihe ahubwo uceshe. Nata mukobwa wanjye.
Do you know how many patients of Dr. Murakami?
Abarwayi benshi b'uyu muganga yarabavuye babasha kongera kugenda. Bangahe?
One of them.
Bose barakiza abarwayi banjye navuye. Bivuze ngo nawe hari icyizere keretse ari weho nyine byangiyeho.
Mom, this is real.
Mwana arishimye.
This is real. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Miss Ingrid, you're amazing and powerful.
Dame Ingrid urarenze.
You made Melody believe your story.
Ntabwo nakwizera ko Melody watumye yizera inkuru yawe.
Did she believe me?
Ntabwo yanyizeye gusa.
Also how?
Ndabizi Melody akunda gufasha abantu araza no kumfasha gushaka umwana wanjye. Ndabizi ko Melody akunda gufasha abantu. Icyo atazi
that when I find her,
nuko nimbona umukobwa wanjye nzakoresha umwana wanjye ndwanye Glen kugira ngo mwibe Melody. Glen mwisubize nyagasani umva ubugome.
Wait, ma'am. Did I hear that right? You want to steal President Glenn? I thought you just wanted revenge.
None se Perezida uracyamukene ko mukundana njye nzi ko ushaka kwihorera. Yego ndashaka kwihorera nyine.
You stealing PJ?
None se kuki uvuze ngo urashaka kumwiba umugore we Melody?
This is part of the plan.
Nabyo biri muri gahunda nyine yanjye yo kwihorera.
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Yes, of course. I understand.
Ubu noneho ndabyumva.
Bella, do not doubt.
Umva, njye gahunda mba mfite ntukazishidikanyo ziraba.
Glenn's life because I want to get...
Impamvu Glenn nshaka kumwisubiza nuko nshaka kumwihoreraho. Yeah.
Marnie.
Hello, madame.
Manny, hello, madame.
You hear the juice?
Wumvishe amakuru meza se?
I got it from a very reliable...
Amakuru nikuriye ahantu hizewe.
That the first lady can't conceive her own child.
Ngo first lady nagashobora kubyara umwana we. First lady ni ingumba yego.
Like that word, infertile.
Iryo jambo ingumba ndarikunze. Riramubereye. Ukuntu bari kuvuga.
Come tomorrow, the whole country will know that the first lady's uterus is useless and barren.
Ejo ayo makuru yaryohera igihugu cyose kumva ko first lady atabyara ari ingumba. Umva amakuru ngo bagiye kuyakwirakwiza.
Hi, Dad.
First lady ari hano.
What are you doing?
I'm doing it, my love.
Ese neza.
Not heard any good news about the hostages today.
I'm sorry, Dad, but it might be a good thing that we called you.
We have good news for you, Dad.
There is a high possibility that Nicole will be able to walk again.
Nathan, I'm the one who's supposed to say that.
Why did you blurb like that, brother?
I'm just excited.
But Nathan is right, Dad. There's a high possibility that I will be able to walk.
Umva hari amahirwe menshi bambwiye ko nshobora kuzongera kubasha kugenda.
Fitted on with the new procedure, can walk again after recovery.
Well, that's not just good news. It's very good news. My love, thank you for calling tonight.
Wakoze kumamagarira ijoro.
Good news today.
Take care, my love. I'll see you soon. Bye, Dad. We love you. Take care. Bye-bye, Dad.
Yeah, barasezera.
There. Val.
Belle.
You're inside? Yes, ma'am.
Mwana mujyane mu nzu ndani.
Oh.
Baby.
Okay.
Let's go. I'm your mom.
Perezida yatangiye kwibuka akimara kwadobuta umukobwa we.
Oh, you're so pretty.
Umugore we yararaga ariza kureba akana akabwira ngo uri keza.
Pretty. Huh?
Yari umugore w'inaha akana ngira ngo yajya byuka agakubita iki. Umugabo wanjye yagiye gusamara mu gasozi yakuzanayo. Gusa umugore afite Christine yakundaga kano kana.
What is this for?
Kuri kunyiyambirisha n'ibyiki.
I want to say thank you for understanding and accepting my child unconditionally. She is so lucky to have a mom as kind as you.
Yaramushimiye uri umuntu mwiza kwita ku mwana.
I am the lucky one.
Ngiye munyamahirwe ahubwo.
I am blessed.
Kubera ko Imana impaye umugisha wakandi kana.
She is our new little angel.
Ubu ni akamarayika kacu gato.
I will love her.
Uyu mwana nzamukunda.
And
nzamwitaho murinde nk'uwanjye. Uri kumva ariko abandi babyeyi. Umwana tumwite nde?
Nicole.
Tumwite Nicole. Bivuze ngo umwana
Nicole
wa Domingo.
Nicole.
Ni Nicole.
Hi, Nicole.
Bite Nicole. Akana perezida yabyaranye n'umu ex we ni ka Nicole. Nicole suza papa wawe. Igihe Nicole yarakira umwana. Papa arabyibuka karakara kari mu kagari ka Nicole niko yabyaranye na ex.
I'm sorry for not telling you that Nicole is my child.
Bari kuba narakubwiye ko Nicole ari umwana wanjye. Nabyaranye na Ingrid. Katururi. Bimeze bite? Yari hano.
If he doesn't like her, what else can he do to find her?
Ese perezida urumva ari iki yakora nka nshakira umwana cyane ko ubwo bafite n'izina ryo kurinda nka perezida.
I'm begging you.
Ndagusabye.
Please don't tell him.
Perezida ntubimubwire ko nabyaranye nawe ndetse umwana ari hano ndi no kumuhiga. Umwana kuba ari muri iki gihugu ndi kumuhiga ntubibwire perezida. Mbega ntumubwire ko wabimenye. Sasa disi bigeze mu gufasha abantu ababuze amahoro. Uwo yifuza gufasha n'umugoma ari kuvuga ati uwo mwana amubonye nahita mukoresha mu kurwanya perezida. Bebe.
My love, I made you call. Is there anything you forgot to say?
No, I was just wondering. I just wanted to ask you something.
What is it, my love?
Glenn?
Glenn.
Sir, excuse me. They're already...
Agiye kumuvugisha umva bahageze. Yaragiye kumubwira ibibazo byo mu rugo n'ibiki perezida bahita bamuhamagarira inshingano. Turavugana nyuma. Buritse.
Of course, my love.
Sawa.
Take care of yourself. I hope you come back in time for Nicole's operation.
Nizere kuri bugaruke mu gihe Nicole bari buze ko bari kumubaga.
I love you too. Okay, bye.
Nicole agiye kubagwa.
I'm even excited to see my shoes finally get dirty. Something.
Huh?
Huh?
So mysterious.
That could be...
Yeah.
For you. A gift? Nina, these are...
bamuhaye impano y'inkweto.
Red shoes, right?
Izo ni za nkweto ukunda.
Two, right?
Nawe ariko urazikunda.
I'm sorry, Nina, but...
Tubarire Nina ariko.
Are we not getting our hopes too high?
Ese ntabwo dutangiye natwe kwishyiramo ibyiringiro binini cyane tugakabya.
Successful.
Kandi ataranabagwa. Tangiye kumugurira inkweto zagenderamo.
We're excited for Nicole's operation.
Ese ntabwo ushishikajwe nuko Nicole bagiye kumubaga.
I was very excited.
Bwa mbere nyine nari mvaga binshishikaje cyane. Ariko mbitekerezaho.
This time Nicole underwent an operation.
Nibuka Nicole bwa mbere agenda ngo bamubaga uko byagenze.
So badly at the time.
Icyo gihe warababaye cyane. Ntiyanakira.
Nathan, it won't again.
Ntabwo bizongera kuba.
Time I will be able to walk again.
Kuri iyi nshuro baraza kumvura mbashe kongera kugenda.
Hope you'll do the same.
Ndi gusenga ngo bikunde nawe nsengere.
Always praying for you.
Iteka duhora tugusengera.
Able to walk again. You can reach your...
Kandi uzongera ubashe kugenda ugere ku nzozi zawe zo kuba umubyinnyi. Urakoze. Abantu bafite amaguru ntibabyina. Yeah.
Nicole gave it to me.
That's why it looks familiar. She gave you one of her treasured items. She really likes you.
I didn't know that. This was important to her. I would treasure it with my life. So, Madam First...
nzagakunda n'ubuzima bwanjye bwose. Nikorera gukunda nibyo bari kuganira.
It is about you and Glenn's child.
Nje tuganire ku by'umwana wawe na perezida.
Have any idea?
Nagusezeranyije gufasha kumushaka. Hari igitekerezo waba ufite? Cyangwa ahantu ukeka twahera tumushaka?
Nina, my shoes look great. Of course.
Yeah.
To you.
They look good on you.
Right? Careful. Okay. Hi, Nicole. I've got good news for you. Hi. Our school has approved the recommendation to name you as this year's representative to the Stand Up for His Rights Forum. Yes, we can see that you excel in your academics. Despite your physical challenge.
Nubwo rwose urwaye ariko uri umuhanga cyane urakoze.
Congratulations again.
Felicitations.
Thank you. Well done.
Yeah.
You are amazing, Nicole.
Kora arenze ku ishuri baramwemera mu gutsinda.
Forum representative?
Why? Is there a problem with Nicole being the representative?
Kuba Nicole yahagarara abanyeshuri ikibazo kirimo.
Chosen because she's the president's daughter.
Bamutoranije ko ari umukobwa wa polisi. Ibyo ntabwo ari ukuri.
And it's not allowed in the school.
Ibiro ni ukuri nyuzura umwana kandi ntabwo byemewe.
I can achieve things.
Ndi kuvuga ukuri.
Cannot walk.
Nubwo ntabasha kugenda ariko nanjye nshobora kuba nakora byinshi.
Just like your feet.
We ntacyo umaze umeze nk'amaguru yawe adafite umumaro. Uyu aramukubita. Nicole akubita umuntu. Nicole wirwana.
Do you know anything else?
Hari ikindi waba uzi?
That she's in the Philippines?
Usibye kuba wamenye ko ari muri Philippines hari ikindi uzi?
By a Filipino family.
Yadobuswe n'umuryango w'abanyefilipine.
According to my very reliable source,
kandi amakuru mfite atari ivumba avuga ko
this couple had 2 biological children.
iyo famille ya mwadobuse yari ifite abandi bana babiri baza kumwadobutana we ngabo wa gatatu.
But other than that, it's been so long.
Ibindi rero ngo washize igihe kinini.
Since it's been a closer.
Kuko ngo ni kwa kuntu ugenda ukadobuta umwana ariko bakavuga ko nta hantu bizigera menyekana.
Help me find her.
Sinzi uburyo uri buze kumfashamo.
Ingrid.
Ushaka umwana mu gihugu cyose biragoye.
Daughter is in the Philippines all this time.
Umukobwa w'iki gihe cyose yari muri Philippines.
We won't stop unless we find her.
Ntabwo turi buhagarare mpaka tumubonye. Yakunda gufasha.
Lady, excuse me.
Madam First Lady.
We have a situation.
Dufite ikibazo.
Nicole got into a fight at school again.
Nicole ku ishuri yongera ararwana turashize.
This is the second time you've gotten involved into a fight.
Ubu bwa kabiri wa mwana ugiye mu mirwano.
That girl mocked me as useless as my.
Umukobwa yaje aranukango nta kimaze meze nk'amaguru yanjye.
Mommy has arrived.
Mama wa Nicole yaje.
Ma'am, what is the problem?
Ikibazo kifasitire baramuhamagaye.
Please explain to me why you summon the parents of.
Mbwira impamvu uhamagaye ababyeyi b'umukiriya wanjye.
Party.
Baby, kandi ariko turi mu gahinda.
Relax.
Uyaje nkavuka sasa. Icyo atazi nuko ari na mama we.
Relax. Aunt Melody is backed up by a lawyer.
Umva, Aunt Melody azanye na avoka we.
Be absolved.
Niko rero bari buze kumubabarira. Hey, umwana wa First Lady yari yakwishuri bashobora kuhita bamwirukana kubera imyitwarire mibi yo kurwana batitaye.
So, it does not change the fact that she hurt someone.
Ntabwo byahindura ko yababaje umuntu.
Into a lot of fights lately, Nina.
Ese Nicole kuki asigaye ajya mu mirwano cyane?
She gets picked on.
Nicole baramushotora.
I'm just wondering.
Ndibaza.
If you cannot even handle your siblings, how can you handle the entire.
Nimba utabasha gushyira umwana muvukana ku murongo ni gute ishuri uzarishyira ku murongo weho? Uri kwiyamariza kuba duwayeni. Umva umwana nk'uyu nguyu wamugaye aba yifite ibibazo by'amarangamutima ye yandi. Abanyeshuri banyu mukaza muri nyuzura umuntu. Kuki umwana nk'uyu nguyu mutamwitaho? Gute abanyeshuri bari nyuzura abandi mutababuza? Ahubwo ukaza kwangiza umwanya w'ababyeyi uduhamagara.
The student who bullied Nicole.
Umwana wari nyuzuye Nicole.
Already facing.
Muri kano kanya twabaye tunamuhagaritse. Ariko tugomba no gutanga ikirego ku babyeyi be.
Fair? It's not
kugira ngo ibintu biri fair.
Plain when they're the ones that fall.
Umva nibo bakoze amakosa barize umwana wabo nabaza kubangamira wacu. Je ndaza gutanga kino kirego kabisa. Tubabarire yaje mwabo.
And you're right.
Uravuga ukuri rwose.
It's the big middle school bully.
Nicole kuko niwe wahohotewe bamunyuzuye.
You will get offered a warning this time, okay?
Kuri inshuro ntago turi buguhe gasopo. Hari ukuntu bagwa gasopo ya mbere kabiri gatatu kirukanwa.
Report them to the teachers right away.
Yazajya agira undi muntu kuri nyuzura ujye kwita umuregera. Abayobozi.
Nicole did not fight with that student just because.
Nicole ntabwo yarwanye n'umwana kuko yabishakaga. Yarari kwirwanaho.
Bullying in our school is prevalent.
Umuco wo kuri nyuzura abandi bana tugomba kuwuca. Uwo muco niwo wanzanye hano guhagarika nimba duwayeni.
I was just saying.
I know what you're trying to say.
Nashaka icyo ushaka kuvuga ndakizi.
I let my siblings do whatever they want to.
Abavandimwe banjye ndabareka bagakora icyo bashaka. Bapfa kutangiza uburenganzira bw'abandi bana bangana cyangwa se bw'abagenzi babo.
They want to do. As long as they follow the rules and regulations.
Bapfa gukurikiza amategeko bemerewe gukora icyo bashaka ntabwo ngiye mbakontorora ngo rimucishwa. Uranyumva?
That's my sister.
Wamwumvishe mushiki wanjye ariko.
And that's my girlfriend.
Wumvishe girlfriend wanjye se ukuntu atwika. Max arababara. Aho ni sawa ni na.
Now I know even if our party doesn't win.
N'ishyaka ryacu ritatsinda.
Hands under your.
Byibura n'uyinatsinda ukabadoyene tuzaba tuyobowe neza.
You're not so bad yourself.
Nanjye ndabona utari umuntu mubi nyamara.
I really want to engage you to pick your mind. I want to make sure that before I leave.
Nashaka kumenyesha ko mbere ko ngenda.
Lose the election. The winner.
Utsindwa amatora. Uzatsinda zabarenze. Uragiye sugiye.
For working student at the office. The office of registrar has been.
Nasabye kujya gukora muri office none banyemereye y'ikigo.
Well, best of luck to you.
Tukwifurije amahirwe.
And thank you Because of you, I'm giving
kandi rero
up
kuzi kubera weho
school elections.
nabashe kubona amahirwe yo kwiyamamariza kuba nabaduwaye.
To a certain extent, thank you.
urakoze.
I would not be here if you did not let Jonas join your party. You guys are
nanjye sinari kuba ndi hano iyo utareka Jonas kugira ngo aze mu ishyaka ryanyu.
The same party.
gusa ubundi kuki mutajya mu ishyaka rimwe ryo ku ishuri mwiyamamaze nyine
Already printed.
duwaye wundi ube duwayene.
Hey, see you around.
yarabasezera caho.
See.
yiboneye kujya gukora muri ofisi z'ikigo ntabwo agishaka kwiyamamaza.
No turning back. Be the best student leader.
wumvishe ko nagusubira inyuma uwo muyobozi mwiza ni uzatorwa.
Aunt Ingrid,
Aunt Ingrid
thank you.
wakoze.
Had not come,
iyo utaza
would have been suspended.
bari kuba banyirukanye ku ishuri. urakoze rata uye kwita Aunt niwe mama we bafite ukuntu bahuza buriya amaraso arakururana. uyu niwe mama we wa nyawe. yarabonye abona uyu mugore ukuntu asigaye abanye akari kora arumirwa.
Another child? With Ingrid? Where is the baby? Is she with Ingrid?
No, Mom. She gave her up for adoption.
yaramutanze ngo bamwodobute yaje kubibwira iyo.
No parents. Does Glenn know about this? Did you ask him? Have you talked to him?
Not yet, Mom. Glenn and I haven't discussed this yet.
How come?
njye na Glen ibi ntabwo turabiganiraho.
Talk this out.
mufite kubiganiraho na Glen yaje kubibwira mama we.
Excuse me.
Lorraine yarahamagaye.
Hello, Lorraine?
Lorraine.
Hello, Melody.
Melody.
Bad news. You're all over the
wumva wabonye ko inkuru zose ziri kukuvugaho imbuga nkoranyambaga zakwinjiriye.
Here, I'll send it to you.
reka nze nkoherereza amakuru. imbuga nkoranyambaga ziri kukuvuga. ni Lorraine. yaza kureba arebye abona bari kwandika ngo fast lady nta byara n'ingumba byaragoranye. Baby.
Sister. Melody, is this true?
What is that? Melody, is this true?
Melody, bino nibyo.
Mom. The doctor said that it'll be difficult for me to conceive.
ibi nibyo kuyego barambwiye ngo kubyara kwanjye bizagorana.
But
amakuru nibwo bayamenye.
it's okay, Mom.
gusa ntacyo bitwaye.
I'm fine, Mom.
meze neza.
Mom, come on. I'm really okay. I'm fine. Is the First Lady's uterus useless? What is that?
What is on the headline?
Let's see.
Yeah.
Read it.
Let's check the other one. The First Lady is
First Lady
conceive a child.
ntago abyara. turashize. ni inkuru ziri mu itangazamakuru.
PGA and First Lady
PJ na First Lady
kids.
ntago bazigera babyara.
Melody, don't pick
baza kumusomera inkuru iruhande rwe.
boys. These people are just mean and
bano
bad.
bantu ni abantu babi n'abagome n'abanyamatiku.
We can find some good news.
reka turimo hari inkuru nziza yakuvuzweho. baza kureba ni abakozi mu rugo bafite umugamo.
How do you use this?
rebe iki bagikoresha bate.
Do not know how to use it.
ntabwo uzi ukuntu babikoresha.
Thank you for cheering me up and being here with me.
data mwakoze kuba muri kumwe nanjye muri kunshimishamo.
Melody,
inkuru zose ziri kumuvuga.
you laugh.
ntabwo turi no kugusetsa.
No, it's a
Surprising about
joke.
this.
ntabwo uyu nguyu azi gukoresha bino bintu.
Lurch isn't it?
arashaje.
To be serious about this.
dufite kuba seriye muri ibi.
Enter the bad press.
How?
I already spoke with my friends in the press.
navuganye n'inshuti zanjye zo mu itangazamakuru. bari kugukoraho inkuru nziza.
And the other 3 First Ladies.
Huh? What?
we n'abandi ba First Lady batatu
Senators.
mwagenda mukaganiriza abantu.
I know. I don't
ndabizi.
either.
nanjye simbyifuza ariko
Don't worry. It is going to be
iraza kuba ari publicité nziza kujyana n'abandi ba First Lady mu itangazamakuru kagira icyo bivugaho.
Focus on.
It's going to be First Ladies
with their youngest.
Ni ikiganiro cyaba first lady babanje n'umutonya muri bo.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
It is not you. We are not talking about you. Do not say
Yeah.
It's going to be good publicity. I like it.
Akurin. Mwana atangiye kwitoza kubyina ni kandi kore gakunda kubyina. Uko yabuze amaguru ubundi ngo yumvaga yazibera umubyinnyi.
Dancer. Mommy, I'm imitating Miss Ting.
Ndi kwigana Miss Ching.
Yeah?
Urabyina.
See.
Katurebe. Yeah. Dore abantu umwana bayifuza kumera nk'abari abana nabo.
Do? I don't see why not.
Iheri kwa bishora sinzi impamvu utabikora.
Joker, you know that?
My darling Nicole.
Nicole.
Sorry.
Mbabarire.
I don't have the connection to set up an appointment for you and Mr.
Nago ubungu mfite connection zaguza n'uyu muhanzi muri kano kanya.
Guys.
Nta mpamvu yo kunsaba imbabazi.
Should be apologizing to
Ninjye
you.
wakagusabye imbabazi ahubwo.
Me, you were summoned again to the principal.
Kubera njye wongeye guhamagarwa mu buyobozi bw'ikigo.
It's okay, Nicole.
Meze neza Nicole.
Someone bullies you, report them to Val immediately.
I will. How about you, Mommy? Are you feeling okay?
Mr. Sema mama meze neza.
I saw the horrible posts on social media.
Nabonye ku mbuga nkoranyambaga bari kukuvuga nabi.
It's nothing. I just ignore them. I'm okay.
Biranda byirengagiza njye meze neza.
Hey. Oh, Nicole.
Nicole.
We're having a photo shoot tomorrow, so come back home right after your classes.
Yes, Mommy. I'm excited to do the feature story.
Me too. Show me your dance moves.
Where is it? Here.
Yeah.
Isn't she good?
She's good.
PGA, CBG is still insisting that we release one of their officers that we caught before.
Birabye birashaka ko turekura bamwe mu bayobozi babyo bari muri gereza kugira ngo berekure imfungo.
To their demands.
Ntabwo tugomba kwemera ibyo badusaba.
I'm afraid if that is the case, we have no other choice but
ariko nayandi mahitamo dufite.
Our military, sir.
That is a dangerous thing to do.
Kohereza abasirikare bacu se nabyo byaba ari bibi.
Might get involved.
Bishobora gutuma abasivile benshi bahasiga ubuzima.
There is a better way to tackle this.
Ndumva hari uburyo bwiza bino twabikemuramo. President.
Alright, how are things going in Malakaneng?
Muri Malakaneng bimeze bite?
At large. Right now we're still
Titus n'ubu ntago ahari.
hiding.
Turacyari kumuhiga.
I mean the palace, about my family.
Ndavuga mu ngoro, umuryango wanjye umeze ute?
I got a report from PSG Val earlier about Nicole. She got into a fight in school.
Nicole ngo kwishura herutse kurwana.
Into a fight?
Kurwanya yararwanye.
Did against her bully in school.
Hari umwana wa muri nyuzuraga nawe yirwanaho habuze gato ngo bamwirukane.
An attorney Domingo came.
Avoka Domingo ne waje aramuburanira ku ishuri. Turashize yarabizi ko Avoka Domingo ari we mama wuriya mwana. None yatangiye kujya kwishura kamuburanira. Bisiyo twayigezeho boss. Yaje kureba.
First Lady Melody will never...
First Lady Melody ntago azigera aba mama.
The First Lady...
First Lady...
Allegedly unable to give the president...
ntago azigera abasha kubyarira perezida. Ibitangazamakuru byose ni bano baba babyishyuye bakabijyamo bakamena amabanga kugira ngo First Lady...
Useless.
First Lady inda ye nibyara nta mumaro ifite. Umva amagambo mabi baba bamwanditse ariko imitwe y'inkuru.
Thank you, boss.
Bakoze akazi keza.
Adam,
uba wabikoze niyo.
all might be turned against you by this,
bino bintu bishobora kukugaruka.
right?
Na Nicole akakurakarira kandi umaze kuba inshuti.
You know it's me.
Nicole se yabwirwa n'iki kandi njye wabikoze. Nanone.
Hi, Nicole.
Bite Nicole. Uyu mugore asigaye aza gusura Nicole, asigaye ari inshuti ya Nicole shaho. Icyo atazi nuko ari nawe mama we wa nyawe.
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Auntie Ingrid.
Mwaramutse Ingrid.
How was school?
Niki kuzanye hano?
School to find you this early because I have a special...
Umva nari nje kureba ko ngufitiye surprise idasanzwe.
Just at the hotel?
Yes.
Well, I found a way that you can meet Miss Ting.
Nakuboneye uburyo cyo ushobora guhura na wa muhanzi w'umubyinnyi ukunda bita Ting kandi mama we byari byamunanira First Lady none ngo yabimukoreye.
Ingrid,
can you Ting
along to meet Miss Ting? They will be so happy to find
none
me.
se waretse nkanazana n'abavandimwe banjye no bakajya kureba Ting.
Over and out.
Bakishima. Mwise mwe urabasotse.
Sorry too long.
Isa yose nagutwitigiriza. Uriya muhanzi ntabwo yagutegereza.
But I have
kandi namubwiye ko ariweho gusa.
feature story with Mommy later. I might run late.
No worries. You'll not be late.
Umva ntabwo uri bukererwe kujya guhura na mama we ngwino.
Find your brother Nathan and your big sister Nina. And then Ask them for their permission. How does that sound?
Okay.
nibigenda neza nabo dushobora gusaba uruhushya bakaba bahura n'uwo muhanzi.
I want to wear a nice outfit to meet Miss Ting.
I will take care of your outfit. Let's go.
Rero tugende urebe.
Let's go. Hurry up.
Agiye guhura na wa muhanzi ajya akunda kureba ari kubyina w'icyamamare Katuro.